Aestimium is a powerful tool, and if you're considering it for your business or personal use, there are a few things you need to know before you buy. Trust me, after hearing these 7 key points, you'll have a much clearer understanding of whether it's right for you. Stick around till the end, because I'll also share where to get the best deal for aestimium and how you can even try it for free. First off, aestimium stands out with its clean interface and ease of use. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting, it's designed to be intuitive without sacrificing any of the advanced features that seasoned users rely on. Unlike some of its competitors, aestimium doesn't overwhelm you with clutter, making it a breeze to jump in and start working. Next thing to keep in mind is its pricing structure. Aestimium offers an affordable entry point for most businesses, with a competitive pricing model compared to the likes of other similar tools. However, it also provides flexibility, allowing you to scale up as your needs grow. This is something that really sets it apart from some of its competitors, who tend to lock you into higher prices upfront, even if you're just getting started. The third thing I want to mention is its customization options. If you've used other software before, you know that customization can be a hit or miss. Aestimium really shines here, giving you a range of options to tailor it to your workflow. Whether it's adjusting dashboards, adding integrations, or customizing reports, this flexibility gives you more control than you might expect, especially when compared to some of the more rigid systems out there. Next thing, let's talk about performance. When it comes to processing speed and reliability, Aestimium delivers. It's not only fast, but it also scales well, meaning you won't see a drop in performance as you add more users or data. This can be a major issue for other tools in this space that slow down under pressure, causing frustration for users. The fifth thing is its customer support. Aestimium offers some of the best support I've encountered in this industry. They provide 24/7 support through live chat and email, and their response times are impressively quick. This is something that can be a pain point with other software, where customer service feels like an afterthought or is difficult to get in touch with. The sixth thing I want to bring up is their integrations. Aestimium supports a wide range of third-party integrations, including popular tools like Google Workspace, Microsoft Office, and others. This makes it easy to incorporate into your existing workflow, saving you the hassle of switching from one platform to another or trying to manually move data between systems. The seventh and final thing to know is how Aestimium supports ongoing updates and improvements. They're constantly rolling out new features and optimizations, making sure the product stays ahead of the curve. Unlike some competitors who might neglect updates once you've made your purchase, Aestimium's commitment to improving the product ensures you're always getting value. Now, you've heard about Aestimium's main features, and if you're intrigued, I want to let you know that you can try it for yourself with a completely free trial. To get the best offer and some exclusive benefits, click the first link in the description below. This is a great opportunity to test it out and see if it's the right fit for your needs. So, if you're ready to take your productivity to the next level with Aestimium, don't wait. Click that link below and get started today with the best free trial available.